how to sell beats on Wix. So what I've done is I've clicked on edit site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now the first thing that we'll need to do here is use the search bar and search for PayPal button and click on this one. So I'll explain why we need this in a second, but it's the easiest way of actually getting stuff done. And we just want to click on install or add here. I already have it added, so it looks like this. Now once we have the PayPal button on our Wix website, we will first need to position it where we want to sell our beats. So for example, right here, and we can also change the page from this box. Now once we have it, we'll click on settings, and it's going to look like this. So the first thing that we'll need to do is go to settings, go to template here, and we'll need to actually type out our PayPal email. So I'll type out my PayPal email here, and you will need to also verify it. So after we have done this, the next step is actually going to product and changing the product type. So for example, I will call this Fire Beats. And here's where we set the amount. So I can make this as much as I want to. So for example, I'll make it $10. So 1000, and here we go, $10. You can also change the currency right here from this box. And after we have done this as well, the next step is going to settings. And this time we will go to autoresponder email. So we have set the amount, we have set we have connected our PayPal account, and now once somebody purchases this, we will set up an autoresponder email. So toggle this option on and customize autoresponder email. Now here we will begin from scratch. So click on begin from scratch, and it's going to look like this. Now you can obviously customize this to your liking. The only thing that I'm going to focus on is this body of text. So click on it, and then right here we will just delete everything, and using proper punctuation and grammar we will type thanks for, I'm writing in caps, that's okay. Thanks for purchasing our beats. You can download them here. I'll write a column, and now here's what we can do. We will go to Google and just Google search for File.io. I recommend this file sharing website. You can also use other ones, but this is the easiest for me. So I'll just open up this website and I'll click on upload files. Now here I'm just going to search for sample beat as an example, and I'll open it up. Now this is going to begin uploading. And once it has uploaded, it will generate a link for us. Now, before we actually take this link, we want to change this expires to 1 and then years. This is the most amount of time that this file can stay uploaded. Now I'm going to left click on the link here, and it's going to copy automatically. And I'm going to go back, I'll right click and paste this. What I can do also is highlight some text and add the link to the text itself. So I'll just paste the link that I copied, and now if people click on here, they will be referred to this link, and if they click on the file link, HTTP file here, or the link, they will be referred again to the same link, and they can download the beat. But that is only after they have successfully purchased it. That's when they will receive this email. So that's basically what you have to do. You have to set up or connect your PayPal. You have to type out the product type, the product name, the product cost, and then the autoresponder email. So once somebody successfully buys this, they will receive an email with the download link for our beats. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.